traders, I am back again with these strategies. I'm covering very simple strategies. If you have been struggling to identify reversals in the market, these are the strategies you should look at. This is now this is the double bottom. We have looked at triple top. Now we are looking at the double bottom. You can see the double bottom that I have circled here. If you check very well, this is and this is another bottom. Now the question is, where should you place your trade? That is the key question. I'm not taking much time on this because I don't want to confuse you. This is similar as the one that we have looked at. That is the W. You can see the W. Let me delete. Let me change the color. You can see the W. Then our entry is here. Okay, so you enter your stop loss is somewhere below, and you continue milking the market. This one is a reversal for a buy. Remember that this should be a reversal when the market has dropped, so that you can buy cheap. So in everything that we do, especially in Forex market, ensure that you buy cheap, you sell expensive. It doesn't matter the strategy that you are using, but the end result should be you have bought cheap, you have sold expensive. That is the rule. If you break that rule, if you find yourself selling the market when buying the market when the market is very expensive, then you have the problem. The selling that you can do that when the market is showing the expense, or when the market has shown a significant move, is when you are using a lower time frame. For instance, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you can see a movement. Then you place your trade at a point like this. But when you go back to the daily time frame, or something like 4 hours, the market is cheap. Okay. The expense and the cheaper the market, we check it using a higher time frame. That is daily or 4 hours. We are good. Okay, we move to the next. I want to go to the chart. We check this W on our live chart. We see whether we can check this W and how we can use it. Remember, this one, it shows you a reversal. Please, this W up to this, if you check very well, you can see. Okay, please ensure that this tip does not go, it's not longer than this. Should not be like this. Okay, make sure it's either shorter or they are at the same point. Then you can have the double bottom. This again is similar to what we have looked at. Let me take you back there. We have looked at this one. It's almost similar to this, what we have called W or BAT, but this one is given the double or bottom, which are the peaks of the W or the BAT. So this is what we are moving direct to our chart. We see what the chart is offering to us. The chart. I want to move this one at least be seen. I want to have whereby we have had a down trade. As you can see, this is an up trade. This is an up trade. up to that point. You see? Okay, now I want something to do with the downtrend. I want to check a downtrend so that I can predict an uptrend. Let's enable the chart shift. Oh, good. Yes. I don't want to use this one. This was this is lower. Yes, it has reversed. Let me check. Well, this is lower than this. It's not giving me what I want. Okay, yes, here it is. I will pick this as a double let me maximize so that you can see what I mean. The problem when you maximize, when you zoom, you are lost. You lose what you wanted to view. Yes. So I think we can pick something like this. This is very nice. We can have that we have had a long. You can see that the market is staggering, so we can take this as a double bottom. Very nice. So the highest of the bottom of the price is here. So after the price reaches this point, you place your buy. Just place your buy. You buy. Then your stop loss should be below the turning point, somewhere like here. So here is where you place your stop loss and you ride the market. So if you see after this, these are the zone, the levels that we have identified. These are the double bottom. The market has been moving up. So after this point, you do not lose anything. You can ride the market till when you reach your target. Okay? So double top. Remember that that is double bottom. Remember that double bottom does not mean that it should be a W. Okay, that is the difference. But many cases you will find something like a W that is being formed, but should be double, whether it has formed Z or what, but brings back the double bottom. The double bottom signifies a reversal, or the market has reached a very strong zone here. That this zone is very strong, so we are expecting an up trend, and market continues moving. Okay. So our stop loss is here. Your take profit depends with your target, your profit target. But read stop loss and take profit video. You will understand the appropriate place to place your stop loss and your take profit. Please ensure that you place your reasonable targets. Don't place unreasonable targets whereby the market will never reach that profit. That is the mistake. Another mistake traders do. They are very overconfident, such that they think that they can drive the market to where they want it to be, and it has never reached there. So you will remain there with your take profit. The market will use the appropriate range. Okay, I think we can move to the next one. Let me check what we have next. Then Let me check what we have next. What we have, this is the double bottom that we have done. So we have the bottoms here, the double bottoms. We have said that this is where we are placing our trade after it reaches here. For me, I always target some any after this. So this is where I will take my buy. For me, to be sure that it has broken this zone. Okay, which is very okay. Okay, let me show you what we have next. Next, we will look at the double top again. The double top again. It's okay. We will look at the double top. We have not looked at the double top, but we have looked at triple top. Okay, so we will look again at the double top. I am repeating this several times so that you can see the double top. I will explain more of the double top and where you should place your trade, where you should take your trade. Let me cut this, then we continue.